Good afternoon, everyone. I am extremely excited. I got a package in the mail today and I'm so happy about it. Let me show you what it is and open it with you. It is a new Nespresso machine. Try to lift this box, it's a little heavy. So they sent me, it's just a little booklet to learn how to use it. But I love that they sent me all these samples with the Nespresso machine. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, let's open this so you guys can see what it looks like. This is the Virtual Plus, I think it's called, and they were on sale for $99 on the Nespresso website. And there's many colors that you can choose from. That's what it looks like. Let's open it up. Sorry. Let me not cut myself while I'm getting excited about this. Okay, it's the Virtual Pop Plus machine. That's what that is. Some of the pieces that come with it. Yes, I'm doing this in my bedroom, by the way. All right, let me see if I can get this out now. Pause and come back because it's taking me a minute to get it out, but here it is. It's like a violet purple. Let me show you. It's the front. It is so pretty. I'm super excited about this. But anyways, I will be making coffee in this very soon.